Dear colleagues, could you please take your seats? We shall proceed with the agenda, with the item 6, and that is the exchange of views with Mr. Adrian Candu, President of the Parliament of Moldova, on the political situation in Moldova. This part of today's AFET session is taking place in association with the delegation to the EU-Moldova Parliamentary Association Committee, and I thank Mr. Christel for helping us to organize this event. May I first of all welcome the President of the Parliament once again and state that this year has been a rather difficult year for Moldova. The political situation in the country was fragile, and on the 29th of October, the government of Prime Minister Strelet was dismissed following a no-confidence vote supported by a large majority of members of the parliament, including the Democratic Party. A new government has yet to be formed, and it will be a third government in a year. In recent years, the European Union has provided a lot of support to Moldova, politically and financially. The repeated political crisis just increased the citizens' mistrust in the ability of the government and authorities to tackle the pressing issues that the country is facing, such as the fight against corruption and the reform of the judiciary and economy. We are aware that the banking scandal, which is rather well known, came to the fore a year ago and has still not been properly investigated, and political difficulties are hampering the pace of the reforms. A survey of public opinion in Moldova, published just last week, highlights the country's crisis and the public's dissatisfaction with the government. It clearly shows that the people of Moldova are looking for a better pro-European coalition government and seek a new election to be held in the country. They are concerned about the corruption and want a delivery of the promised reforms. In this respect, I would now give the floor to the President of Moldovan Parliament, Mr. Candu, to brief us for about 10 minutes on the most important state of play in your country and the measures to address the critical issues which were outlined, as well as to give us an estimation how you see the developments in Moldova, given the fact that you are one of our important partners in our neighborhood policy. Mr. Candu, the floor is yours. Thank you.